Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now this case is made by Floveme. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now before we get started, let me show you where to get this from. You can get this from Amazon. It's the Floveme compatible for iPhone 12 Pro Max case. It's a clear case and it's shock absorbing, scratch resistant, military grade protection, soft TPU edge and hard back. All right, now this does offer a front bumper as well. Now you can get this case for $9.99. There's a coupon for $2 if you clip that when you check out. And here's some pictures of the case right there. It's for the Pro Max two-piece case. And we're going to go ahead and put this on and see how it looks. Now I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now here's the box that comes in, shockproof case, Floveme brand on the front for better protection. Ultra clear, raised edge. It's going to give you that protection there. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box and see what it looks like. So you got the box open there, nothing else in the box. So you got a little Floveme card there. I'm not sure, I think you can get a warranty or something like that. These are the installation instructions. I don't think we need that right now. But this is the case. Got a little plastic on the back. Pull that off and a little foam in the front here. I think there's some plastic inside as well. Yeah, there's a little plastic sheet inside. Get that off. All right, now so here's the case. You got a two-piece case right here. And as you see, it's a little bit thick. Not too bad, but you got the back camera area raised and nothing on the corners to keep the back off the flat surface, but actually it's got kind of got a little ridge on the back right here that might help with that. Clear back, hard polycarbonate, and it's a soft TPU inside along with this hard polycarbonate outside. All right, now you separate the case over here. We're going to go ahead and separate the case and then put the phone inside. All right. Okay, so I've just found out that inside this little packet right here, you got a little accessory tool, and that helps you separate the case. Now, I've used this case before. I didn't need this, but obviously now they provide it with the case. So a little separator tool that you put inside the case to separate. Let's see, you're supposed to put it in the bottom right corner. Let's see if that works. All right, there we go. So now we got the bottom part of the case separated from the top, all right? That was a little tricky, but we got it out. Now this is the top part right here. It's the frame, and it's a hard plastic. And then you got this piece right here. It's got a TPU side, but polycarbonate back, all right? So that's pretty good. When I first used this case on the Note 10 Plus, this all was hard plastic. There wasn't any rubber around this. So that's good they did that for shock absorption. And you can see inside they got the little ridges right there to increase the shock absorption right there. You can see that. All right. Now let's get the device and put it inside. All right, so we got the device right here. You're gonna put the frame on first. All right, so you put the frame on top of the device right here. Fit it around the device. So you're gonna fit that around the device like that. All right. And then you're going to go ahead and insert that into this silicone back right here. And you want to make sure that everything is seated all around to get a good protection there. All right. Now everything is on right there. So this is what it looks like on the case. All right. So you got the raised camera area, so that's going to be protected, and you got a little bit of a ridge right here, so the back might not touch the surface. And the power button, all that stuff works. Power button is a little stiff. You got opening for your charging port, your speakers right there, and your volume up and down rocker, and your mute switch right there. Okay, power button is over here. So this is the case right here. Now, if you had a screen protector, you're gonna have 360-degree protection because this is a thick, pretty good sized case. Not too bulky, but it's going to offer you good protection. You can see the lip right there is covered. It's going to protect the front glass. Screen protector along with this right here is pretty good. All right, so definitely if you're looking for that kind of protection and clear case, you might want to check this out. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. Let's put this on and see how that works. All right, so it is charging. No problem there. All right, you see the charge right there. Okay, so it does work. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Floveme case, clear case, military grade protection, compatible with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, I think this is a decent case, particularly if you're looking for 360 protection. You can get that with this when you add a screen protector to the case. Okay, so I think it's a pretty decent buy. All right, now I did put the link in the description. Now, if you got any questions for me, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.